did.
You did. Very.
I didn't build the box, so my guy Matt built
But
the
you
box.
did the install, the amp rack and all. Okay.
Yeah.
And you said it was tuned to 32?
32. Yeah.
32.
Yeah, 32.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
My name is Gary Anderson. 2 NSV4s, 18s, 2 Salt 4Ks, 2 Sundown SAX 200x4s, 2 JY batteries, and 8 Sound Legion 6.5, 4 PRB 10s.
Yes, sir.
Alphard deck.
That's a cool bass knob.
Not concept.
Knob concepts. Okay.
Yeah, cool guy. Great customer service.
Very nice. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Who built this?
I did.
You did. Very.
I didn't build the box, so my guy Matt built
But
the
you
box.
did the install, the amp rack and all. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Did it in my driveway.
Have you done any roof work yet?
No, just put the pole in some mat.
Okay.
Kill mat.
Yes, sir.
Box is tuned to 32.
I'll look at the back afterward. I'm
Oh,
ready
no
for a
problem.
demo, man.
Yeah, no
Awesome.
problem. Let's see what we can.
Cool. The bass knob shows you the temperature of your amp.
Yeah, the soft do.
Nice. Looks really good. And these amps, are they strapped together?
No, I got them game matched. So I got one on each set of voice coils.
Okay. All right. So what is it like in low frequency wise? Around 32, 33 hertz? Or?
Yeah, it doesn't do as good as I would like. I'm gonna get a 6-order bill. But
So you want to do a B filler or C filler 6?
yeah, I'm gonna put it up to about right here.
Yes, sir. Still sounds good though for 2 subs.
Yeah,
and a no wall pretty much.
Yeah, no wall. Yeah.
Have you tried mounting them regular yet?
No, I didn't.
You did?
Because I did have one, and I mounted it regular, but it just got really hot.
You did? Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I
Invert them cool a little better and bigger box.
yeah.
Awesome. Anyway, thank you for watching, man. What was your name?
My name's Gary Anderson, man.
Gary Anderson. Everybody give a like to Gary.
Back there to see, but I
Just the port? I'll see the port.
Yeah.
All right.
You're JacobViral, right?
Yeah, I'm doing videos right now. What's up, man? Very nice. That looks good. And you said it was tuned to 32? 32. Yeah. 32.
Yeah, 32.
Hey, thanks for showing me, man. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Gary's system. This was at the Sundown show in North Carolina area that we were showcasing at. Really glad to be able to meet him and get a demo. Watching my videos, shout out to you. If you haven't already, give him a like. Pretty impressive to see how efficient 2 18-inch subs can get in a really efficient box. I know he said he's still working on some upgrades. Sounds like he wants to get louder as well. But go ahead and comment. Let him know what you like about his system. And if you notice the way he has his bottom port and subs up, pretty cool looking design with these Neo subwoofers. I didn't find out exactly what his peak frequency or SPL score was, but it's got to be at least a 150 on burp, I'm sure. And it was definitely playing into the mid 20 hertz range on the song you're going to see. If you notice the way he also has his amplifier rack and the staging and everything, so there are not any back seats, but optimal amount of area for the system, so that way his amplifiers stay cool, good airflow, and minimal vibration. So having these extra amplifier cooling fans, put the link in the description if you want to see where to get them on Amazon, but they really help a lot with keeping the amplifier cool on these 4,000 watt Salt amplifiers. I'm pretty sure he said they were at 1 ohm each strapped on each coil. So 2,500 watt RMS of what these subwoofers are rated for. We're getting to the loud bass demo now. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, JacobViral. I put the links at the bottom of the description, as well as hit the notification bell for daily car audio videos, and enjoy this impressive 4-minute bass demo. like in low frequency wise, around 32, 33 hertz, or?
Yeah, it doesn't do as good as I would like. I'm gonna get a 6-order bill.
So you want to do a B filler or C filler stick?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up to about right here.
Yes, sir. Still sounds good though for 2 subs.
Yeah,
and a no wall pretty much.
Yeah, no wall. Yeah.
Have you tried mounting them regular yet?
No, I didn't.
You did?
Because I did have one, and I mounted it regular, but it just got really hot.
You did? Yeah.
Yeah. So
okay.
I
inverted them cool a little better, and bigger box.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, man. What was your name?
My name's Gary Anderson, man.
Gary Anderson. Everybody give a like to Gary. Hey, thanks for showing me, man. You have a good day.
You too, man.